Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. North India's rain party ends late Monday night. North India is witnessing a dramatic weather transition as the powerful western disturbance that brought widespread rain, thunderstorms, hailstorms and strong wind across several states is now preparing to leave the region by Monday night. For millions of people who have been struggling through weeks of intense summer heat, this weather system has provided much needed relief. Cities and towns across Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir experienced cooler temperatures, cloudy skies, gusty winds and heavy rainfall over the past few days. According to meteorologists, a western disturbance is an extratropical weather system that originates near the Mediterranean region and travels eastward towards the Indian subcontinent. When it interacts with moisture and local weather conditions over North India, it can trigger significant rainfall, thunderstorms, snowfall in higher elevations, and sometimes severe hailstorms. The latest disturbance has been particularly active. The India Meteorological Department reported thunderstorms, lightning, strong winds, dust storms and isolated hailstorm activity across several northwestern and central Indian states. In some regions, wind speeds reached between 70 and 90 km per hour, creating dangerous weather conditions and causing disruptions in daily life. Before the system completely exits, weather experts warn that parts of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and neighbouring areas could still experience scattered rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning strikes and localized hailstorms through Monday. Authorities are urging residents to remain cautious, especially during evening and nighttime hours when storm activity can intensify rapidly. The impact of the changing weather is already being felt across the region. In some areas, heavy rain and strong winds have disrupted transportation, damaged infrastructure and affected power supplies. Mountain regions have also faced concerns over landslides and travel disruptions due to persistent rainfall. In Uttarakhand, authorities even issued weather alerts as heavy rain affected parts of the state. However, this break from the heat may not last long. The IMD forecast that once the western disturbance moves away, temperatures across northwest India are likely to rise sharply once again. Forecast models suggest a gradual increase of as much as 6 to 8 degrees Celsius in some regions during the coming week. That means many areas could see a return of hot and dry weather conditions after this brief period of relief. Meanwhile, all eyes are now on the southwest monsoon. The monsoon is currently hovering near Kerala, but its official onset has been delayed by a few days. Despite the delay, weather systems across the country remain highly active, bringing heavy rain, thunderstorms, squally winds and hail to several states. The good news is that heatwave conditions have largely eased across India for now, thanks to these widespread weather changes. Weather experts advise people to stay updated with official forecasts, avoid open areas during thunderstorms, and take precautions against lightning and strong winds. Travelers should also check weather conditions before heading to hill stations or regions under rainfall alert. So, while North India says goodbye to this powerful western disturbance, the weather story is far from over. Rising temperatures, an approaching monsoon and continuing rain activity mean the coming days will remain crucial for weather watchers across the country. That's all for this weather update. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest weather news, storm tracking and climate updates from India and around the world. Thank you.